Buongiorno! Today we needed something sweet and based on chocolate, so we decided to prepare a chocolate mousse. For the chocolate mousse you need 250 grams of chocolate. You can decide if bitter or semi-sweet chocolate. The quantity depends on your taste. 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of egg yolk, and 70 grams of egg white. That means 2 eggs separated, 50 grams sugar for the egg white, 70 grams of sugar for the 50 grams sugar for the egg yolk, and 70 grams of sugar for the egg white, 180 grams of whipped cream. Start melting the chocolates in a water bath, add the butter and stir until melted. Keep warm around 50 degrees. Combine the egg yolk and sugar and heat in a water bath, stirring up to 55 degrees. Then beat in a mixer until smooth and thick. You add the butter, the soft butter, together with the chocolate and you keep aside. And then you prepare a Swiss meringue combining the egg white and sugar in a bowl. Heat in a water bath to 55 degrees. Then beat until firm. The chocolate mousse is one of the most classic soft desserts, loved by everyone. Its origin is not known exactly, but the first time it appears in a cookbook was in the 1755. Chocolate mousse has since conquered the palate of many Italians and others worldwide. The chocolate mousse is a delicious spoon dessert, typical of French cuisine. A soft cream based on a dark chocolate with an intense taste and a fruity consistency that melts on the bite. Actually, the name mousse literally translated is foam, and is perfect not only to serve in small glasses but also to fill cold cakes and pies, to fill cream puffs and Menon. After you whip the cream to the point of snow, reserved in the refrigerator, and then quick, you mix. You fold your yolk mixture into melted chocolate, then the Swiss meringue, then the whipped cream. All of this put in glasses and then refrigerated for at least 1 hour, and then you decorate it as what you prefer. You can also add some peppermint or oranges or coffee extract to add some variety, to create variety to your decadent chocolate dessert. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do not lose any of our recipe. Is in just few other information about this fantastic dessert. The dessert mousse were not created until savory mousses had already been around for a century. So first it was thought to be a savory, salty mousse, and then we start to develop the sweet mousse. To decorate mousse, flakes of chocolate or mint leaves may be artfully arranged on top. These add contrast in taste as well as texture to the dessert. Mousse is best when made with an electric mixer. It is difficult to create the proper egg white consistency by hand mixing. Depending upon the method used to make mousse, it can range in texture from light and fluffy to creamy and thick. There are definitely two different kind of recipe, two kind of method for the recipe. One is with egg and the other is without egg. And like all of the most popular recipe, there are many ways to make it. Your recipe is the best recipe, remember that. For last, chocolate mousse can be frozen for a very flavorful ice cream. This is all. As usually, have a lot of fun while cooking. Remember to subscribe to our channel, not to lose our recipe. Have a lot of fun. Ciao!